IQ can certainly get you hired, but the longevity of in the job, EQ gets you to be more well-liked. Today's talk is on strengthening emotional intelligence, and my name is Donis Low. I'm a performance psychologist and coach. So what is EQ? Part of EQ is that we're able to identify the emotions that we have. So it's not just a feeling thing, but intellectually are we able to identify what it is about. And the second part is how we just not just control it or manage it, but how we actually use it to our advantage. We've got a whole host of emotions in us. So here we want to make a case that EQ is perhaps something that is a much more important component than IQ. Actually, there are lots and lots of scientific studies that has really found that indeed they are starting to realize or find that EQ is really, just as, or if not more important than IQ, or even the technical skills that we employ people for. IQ can certainly get you hired, but the longevity of in the job, right? Longevity of it, the great factor around it is EQ. EQ gets you to be more well-liked. I think most importantly, EQ can be learned. After a certain amount of time, when we reach a certain age, IQ more or less reach a very concrete point. EQ on the other hand, is a very fluid ability, unlike IQ, right? IQ is pretty much fixed in that sense, right? So especially in adulthood, what I'm trying to say here, if it's fluid, then of course you can learn it, right? Individuals, people can learn it if they want to, which means, right, components of it can be broken down into learning chunks, right? And which people can learn and improve on. So in today's world, right, we live in a VUCA world, right? VUCA. A lot of things are very uncertain now, not just because of the virus, but even pre-COVID-19 days with the technology disruptions of the workplace, a lot of people have become quite uncertain about their jobs or survivability in terms of their careers. So that's the world we live in today, and I hope you can see the increased need for emotional intelligence as we become more and more distant.